Hey everyone! Pinning a folder to quick access allows you to easily find and open important folders from the File Explorer sidebar. Here's how to do it in just 3 simple steps. First, open the File Explorer and navigate to the folder you want to pin. For this example, I'll use my Documents folder. Next, right-click on the folder and select Pin to Quick Access from the menu. Once pinned, you'll see the folder appear in the Quick Access section in the left sidebar of File Explorer. And that's it! Now you can access the folder with just one click. The right-click method is the fastest way to pin a folder. The drag and drop method is another option too. Drag and drop the folder directly into the Quick Access section in the sidebar. It will automatically pin it for you. Additionally, if you want to remove folder from the Quick Access section, simply right-click on that folder and then select Unpin from Quick Access. So if you have a folder you use often, take the few seconds to pin it for convenience. I hope this quick tutorial showed you how easy it is to pin folders to the Quick Access section in Windows 10. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions.